Claims that Hindu idols and remains are present at Varanasi's Gyanvapi mosque will be heard by a more experienced judge in Uttar Pradesh. The Supreme Court ordered today, moving it out of the court hearing it so far. It would be better if more seasoned hand hears the case, said the judges, stressing on the need for a healing touch and a sense of balance. Keeping the complexity and sensitivity of the matter in view, the civil suit before the civil judge in Varanasi shall be heard before a senior and experienced judicial officer of the UP Judicial Service, the Supreme Court ruled. It would be better if a more seasoned hand hears the case, a three-judge bench said. Jet Airways has been granted the license to resume commercial flights by the Aviation Regulator Directorate General of Civil Aviation. The airline was granted the Air Operator Certificate after completing 2 proving flights. A total of 5 flight landings have to be done by the aircraft to complete its proving flights. With TGCA officials on board, the airline had successfully operated 5 proving flights on May 15th and 17th. Congress leader Navjot Singh Sidhu today surrendered in a court in Punjab's Patiala, a day after the Supreme Court sentenced him to 1 year in jail in a road rage accident in which a man was killed 34 years ago. He had earlier requested a few more weeks to surrender on health grounds. Lawyer Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who appeared for Navjot Sidhu in the Supreme Court, was told by Justice A.M. Khanvilkar to approach the Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramana, but the matter could not be mentioned before the Chief Justice, said Mr. Sidhu's team. Mr. Sidhu had yesterday tweeted after the order that he would submit to the majesty of law. Prashant Kishore today posted a savage review for the Congress, the party he almost joined weeks ago, calling its recent Chintan Shivir or brainstorming session on a revival plan a failure. In doing so, the election strategist predicted an impending electoral rout for the Congress in the Gujarat and Himachal Pradesh elections later this year. I have been repeatedly asked to comment on the outcome of Udaipur Chintan Shivir. In my view, it failed to achieve anything meaningful other than prolonging the status quo and giving some time to the Congress leadership, at least till the impending electoral rout in Gujarat and Himachal Pradesh, Prashant Kishore wrote in his post, stating that inflation has affected even rich countries like the United States. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on Friday said BJP workers should not have any guilty conscience about it. He was speaking before a gathering of party workers in Pune. There is a debate going on about the rising inflation during COVID-19 pandemic. The entire economy was at a standstill. But Prime Minister Narendra Modi, with his prudence, did not let the economy deteriorate, and we should appreciate this, the senior BJP leader said.